Morning, my name's Andy. I'm from Datapath in UK and we're here on the Midwich stand F34 at Integrate 2018 showing off our FX4 multi-display controller. So here we've got 5 screens being operated by 2 of our FX4 controllers daisy chained together. So it's a 4K 60 input in on DisplayPort, and it splits it, crops it, rotates it and scales it out to 4 1080p outputs. And here we've got 2 boxes behind the wall daisy chained together to give us the 5-screen video wall. And what is really the main driver of this system is the software. So this is the Wall Designer software. We've got literally hundreds of commercial screens set up here. So we'll just choose an NEC model here, 46-inch. This contains all of the correct measurements of the bezel and the screen size. We can then add these to the video wall. Just as an example here, we'll add 9 screens. This gives you your measurements and your the measurements of the video wall. We can go in here, add some inputs. So we'll go in, just put a video while it's running, and while that video is running, we can then adjust the screens if you want to put them with a space, if you want to move them, rotate them. It's all available through this software, and once you're happy with this, we can go into the devices, auto configure, and it will give you your topology of the system. It'll show you how many units you need. And then also it's used as a setup device, so you plug in via USB, hit apply settings, and it will make the settings stored on the box, and then you'll be able to get your video in there via a media player, and then it will just split, crop, rotate it, and output to the 4 or 8, however many screens you've got. We're showing off one of our new Windows 10 video wall controllers, and this is our Wall Control 10 software which manages it. So the system behind the wall is a combination of our capture, graphics and IP decoding cards, and all of these are managed by the Wall Control software. As you can see here, this gives you a representation of what's on the video wall. It allows you to drag a template onto the wall to split it and chop it up, and then you can literally just drag and drop your inputs, be they from a capture card, IP, an internet source. Just drag them in, it will snap to fit, and then you can save this as a layout which can then be recorded via a Crestron or an AMX system, for example. And then we've got some other features which have just been released via an additional software called Quant, and this allows you to take the inputs, encode them and deliver them to other users. So whereas previously Datapath has been strong pushing a source to the video wall, now we've got the power to take it and distribute that out to other users on the network, which is great for a command and control center, for example. Another one of those features is to be able to give access to, for example, one of your managers on an application basis. So you can give them access to an application and they can dip in and look at that application at any point during the day. So great for a control room monitoring situations. For more information, please have a look at our website, www.datapath.co.uk. Thanks very much.